Oh! Ah! Oh, wait! Woo! Oh! 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 Okay. Oh! Why? No, 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 no. Why did you step on it? Okay. Actually, it wasn't that bad. It's like a it's like a little walk in the park. He's giving us a Thanksgiving themed mini boss fight. Oh, I don't remember. And Neo Matrix, Turkey Roni. I don't know. Time Turkey, bro. That's so mean. Like, you guys are just making fun of me left and right. Come on. Turkey. Turkey? Like, I can take anything else, but turkey? Bro, come on. I don't remember what kind of sound I made. Mr. Simple didn't know there was a turkey boss. Temporary. Very festive turkey brownie. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. When is Thanksgiving? And Pookie Den, the Pookie dog. Thanksgiving must have come early because I'm hearing a lot of turkey noises. Just kidding, but I think Yago has found his next hololive-EN member. Man.